Hello and welcome back to the series. It's been a little while, but finally getting these videos moving again, and we're getting towards the end. I'll probably put out the kitchen video right after this one as well, so you know, make up for all that lost time that we've had. Okay, so this video is about the window treatments and the balcony glass. Actually, this stuff was balcony glass was actually done much earlier because we don't have drain holes on the balcony, so we had to glass it in to prevent the rain from, from the water from the rain to pooling up on the balcony. So that was advice given to me. I think we did it early on, more in somewhere here in the wet work stage. The contractor came and installed them, but I decided to put it as a optional or something towards the end when I do it in the project plan. But if you were in a situation where the balcony doesn't drain or anything like that, I would do it right away. I would do it right up here with the structural part instead of as an afterthought. But if your balcony does drain out and everything, then you can put this off till one of the later issues. And then also I wanted to get the window treatments, the curtains. That's a very small task, so I wanted to lump it in here as well. That it could be one deliverable, as we would say. So right now where the project stands, this is end of March 2021. Everything but the closets are done. We've gotten the bookcases installed in the living room, and I'll make a video when it's all done. But furniture is all there. I'm living in the apartment. Everything is going good. The kitchen is working. Just waiting for some details. The AC unit will come in the summer when we can test it. So I'll make these videos probably throughout the rest of the year up until the summer. So I'll keep posting until you have the whole project, so you have like a reference. But I'm quite comfortable with this sequence now that the project is done. I mean, some of the things are a little bit out of sequence, but I'm quite comfortable with this sequence, and it should work. It should work in almost all situations when you're finishing a new apartment. The goal is to get moved in as quick as possible so you can start using the stuff and testing and finding out the issues and make some slight modifications. And then you really should be there when the kitchen is being done, supervising. You should be using the apartment and you understand how your closets and shelves should be designed. You can't really, it's hard to visualize it. You have to be there. And furniture, of course, is something you should be there to figure out what furniture would best fit the apartment. So that's why I'm advising, you move in and then do the rest of these steps. So everything before repair and move-in is the minimum needed to move in. And then after that, you can, it'll be a rough 1 or 2 months afterwards, but then, you're getting everything the way you want, and then you're living there and you're not paying rent. So how I found out about the balcony glass, the guy put out flyers. There was a contractor, he put out flyers, he did a few apartments before mine, it looked great. The mechanisms, that it was posted in the Viber group. It kind of, the glass folds away and can be moved aside and, leave a nice big open view. A lot of the balcony glass in Ukraine is actually like hard, and you don't have this open balcony. It's like they have these big bars here and it's just windows. And so you get like some room without heating. It becomes like a storage room more than like an open balcony. So this is great. You can do barbecuing and everything else, so you have like the best of both. You can glass this in and no water's going to get in, or you can open it all and it'll be like wide open, like big screen TV. So here's some more views. When they were doing the work, they do a lot of destruction on the walls. So this was picked up. I think we discussed this in the repair video before, that this was all cleaned up. The contractor came back, another contractor, not the same one, and replastered all of this and repainted everything. And this is how it looks from the outside. So yeah, it's nice. It's nice, and it's not too intrusive, or doesn't it goes with the flow of the building. And this also, our association agreed that this would be the standard glass design, so that everyone would follow the same design pragma so that the building looks consistent if you choose to have the balcony glass. This is the repair work, as a reminder from the other video after, they filled in all those little, where all the destruction was done. I think they did a better job down here than up here. Up here you can tell something happened. They didn't texture it that good, but hey, I'm not complaining. It's good enough. These notches, I think I'll have to just live with that, but maybe that could be something fixed in the future. I'm not too worried about it. I'm more concerned now about getting a proper barbecue so I can grill in the summer. Make some steaks on the grill in the summertime. That's now a bigger concern. I had electrical outlets and lighting and switches put on the balcony too to power up if it's an electric grill, but most likely I'll probably get a gas grill. So the window treatments, I just clipped a picture. I wanted something simple, some blue curtains. So I just clipped this off of Pinterest. Yarina sent me some choices. I think I took the burlap. It seemed like the most rugged and probably cheaper option. Probably easier to clean as well than the suede. So this is how it turned out. It looks really good. They have like a little white curtain here to kind of filter out the harmful sun rays. You still get the light, but it keeps out some of the more harmful rays that can, degrade the wood and the furniture. Also gives you some privacy too as well. And this is kind of what it looked like compared to the CAD drawing, so it's pretty close. You can see the shelves here. I got doors put on instead of having it open. So but mostly everything lined up. I do have a table. I guess that might have seen that in some videos, but that'll be covered in the furniture video. But I didn't get these chairs, but the table I got was quite similar, and the sofa I got was very similar. So yeah, everything is matching up really well. She did a really, really good job. So this is our team. This is Igor. I don't know who this guy is, but he works with Igor, Yarina, and myself. And if you need design and build services, just drop me a line, and I can, advise you on how to finish your apartment in Ukraine. We have a great network of contractors. We are, Yarina and Igor and myself are quite detail oriented, and we're also very cost conscious as well. But we have good taste, and we can tell you where to invest and where to save. So thank you for your time, and if you like, please like and subscribe, and look forward to seeing you on the next video.